What's up guys? My name is Luke Aberley and welcome back to Luke's View. Today we have this very important product for all you hikers, mountain bikers, kayakers, all you people who love to be out in nature like me, out in the forest, out in the Rocky Mountains, wherever you want to be there and you love doing that. But the problem is doing all these cool things, lots of time you don't have any cell phone service. And that can be a little bit of a worry and an issue in case you get yourself into a little bit of a pickle and need some help, but you don't have any cell phone service and don't know what to really do. So the product I'm gonna review today can save lives for sure, and it has saved lives. And it is super important if you love to go into the backcountry or places where there isn't any cell phone service or very little cell phone service. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. The product I'm talking about today is by Garmin. This is the Garmin inReach Explorer Plus. This is an amazing product, and I'm gonna tell you guys why this product might be built for you. Garmin also has a whole bunch of other different products to help suit your needs, depending on what you need it to do. So I'm gonna talk about that today. Let's get into it. Roll that intro. So, Garmin inReach Explorer Plus is a GPS device. What it does is it gives your phone cell phone service. So you can do important text or calls. Let's just say, for example, like for example, purchased this at our local Cabela's, and we've talked to a whole bunch of different people, and they recommended this one. A guy from Atmosphere actually said that he likes this one because now it all comes with plans and all that, but the reason why you want text and all that too is if you're going for, maybe a 2-week backcountry hiking trip or mountain biking trip or wherever, where you're not going to be getting a ton of cell phone service, you can send text messages to the people who are very close to you to say, hey, I'm still alive, I'm doing good. Like for example, hey, I just woke up, I'm gonna go out today. Hey, I just reached my point where I want to go, my destination, I'm gonna pack up for tonight. And you can do that to let the people know that you're good and you're safe and sound, and that they don't have to worry about you. And so giving your phone cell phone service isn't the only thing that this does. It actually also has mapping features. As you can see here, it kind of has its own little layout of what it really does. And that is really handy because there's also different Garmin products out there, like I said, and some of them actually are just a little mini thing. There's little mini ones that you have to have your phone to use, and they're cheaper, but they're also, if your phone's dead or it's just not working, this thing can be used with a phone or by itself, which is super important. Now, obviously, if you're wanting to do more text messages, the phone is going to be a little bit better because this thing, you can use it as a standalone thing. You can text people with this, but it only has these little key things, which are perfectly fine if you're using it in emergencies. It's just if you're using it a lot, it's a little better to connect it to your phone where you can get your full keyboard and you can type faster and all that stuff. But the reason why, so the inReach Explorer Plus is actually I would say Garmin's most popular product from what we've heard at the Cabela's. It was just a random Tuesday, and this thing, they said that day they already sold 6 of these in one Tuesday, which is crazy. And at one location. So what is it gonna be like at other locations, even not Cabela's locations, around the world? So people are relying on these and they're getting great reviews. There are different competitors to Garmin, but what we found, Garmin is the best one. But if you would like to go, the Cabela's employees there were very helpful. He told us all the different ones, why you'd want to get the high-end one, the low-end one, the middle range one, all of those different things, what their really uniqueness and what they're known for and what they're used for, and they're super helpful. So go check out your local sporting goods store or Cabela's if you want to get one of these. So these are super awesome. We're going to be doing an unboxing of this today. Let's get into today's unboxing. Okay, so we're in our overhead mode. By the way, we picked this up for about $450 Canadian, and I think it was on sale. But yeah, it's a great little device, and that's how much we picked up for Canadian. By the time you're seeing this video, I don't know if sales will still be out, but we can still see if they will be. So I'm going to be trying out multi-tool I've had for a while, but going to be trying out for unboxing knife today. That is my Gerber little mini multi-tool here. So it has a whole bunch of different things. Gerber's not sponsoring this video either. There's no sponsors for this video today. So let's get into it. So let's open this up. Packaging feels very nice on the outside. It's very simple, very sleek. You got your device here so you can see what it's called, and then Garmin right over here. So let's get into this. So cut that tape. And this is my favorite packaging. It's gonna go like this. I love unboxing this. And there it is. Look at that. It's very simple. So just kind of open this up like that. See, we got some accessories. Everyone loves some good old accessories. Now, the battery life on this device here varies very differently on how you're using it. So you can send cookie crumbs to the people that are set up to, like, you can set people who you want this to send it to, and so you can send cookie crumbs to them either every like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. And so if you do every like 5 minutes, you're gonna get about 35 hours of battery life. But if you do it every 30 minutes, you're gonna get about 200 hours of battery life, which is crazy. So kind of depends on how you do it. I'd recommend, I mean, it really depends what you're doing. I mean, if you're only going on a short little hike for like a few hours, you can probably just do 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So yeah, so we got our charging cable here. Very standard, it's nice and long. We got our instruction manual, which this actually, you don't actually want to throw this out or get rid of it, because to make sure you set it up properly. So we'll keep this over here. Looks like we got some sort of little carabiner. Very nice carabiner. This is actually a very nice little carabiner. This is very nice. It's a carabiner, but it feels great, as you expect from Garmin. And yeah, I think that's to hold it to you or strap it. Now, if we go over here, we actually get the actual Garmin device itself. So we'll just kind of pop these open. There we go. And oh, that feels good. So here's the actual Garmin device. Oh ho ho, this is nice. This is really, really nice. It feels tough. It's all built with this kind of very tough feeling rubber. So if you would drop this, it feels like it could take it. Everything is, there's no plastic I can feel really. Like even this here's rubber. Like everything's just a nice rubbery. So there's your SOS button right there. In case you need to phone emergency services. Look at that, your SOS. That is your button. So you kind of just press that, and look at that. Let's take off this. Ready? Satisfying. Okay, and that's it. Clean screen. So your buttons here. Ooh, buttons actually feel really, really nice. Especially this one feels very satisfying. Everything feels nice. Everything feels very tactile. You got your clip here. So you can, I assume actually, I felt this was weird, but actually I think you go like this and slide the actual thing onto here. Let me, there, so look at, that's how I kind of guessed. Clips on there. This is actually a very tight fit. And so now you can just kind of clip that onto your backpack, or what I'd recommend, your belt or something like that. Something where it's very nice and close to you, so you can easily access it. But yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels great. Rubber feels nice, so if you dropped it on the table, or not on the table, but if you dropped it on the ground or something, this feels great. And I love this. So buttons feel good, everything feels good. This is what you want if you're a hiker, a mountain biker, a kayaker, even a cross-country skier. If you go where there's no cell phone service a lot and you want to be safe, get this device. It's a little pricey, but then again, I mean, you can't put a price on your life. So, you know, just invest little bits. It's gonna last you for a long time. It's gonna be reliable, and so highly recommend this. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next one. As usual, links will be down below for this device in case you want to check it out. And by the way, there are affiliate links. It'd be very much appreciated if you guys could check them out and maybe purchase them. It helps the channel without charging you guys anything extra. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.